In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Exness login problems. If you're having trouble signing in, don't worry. In most cases, the issue comes down to a password mismatch, browser problems, or selecting the wrong account settings. We'll go through the most common fixes so you can log in smoothly. First, go to the Exness sign-in screen. If you can't remember your password, click the I forgot my password option and begin the reset process using your registered email address. This is the safest and fastest way to recover access if your login details are no longer working. Make sure you use the email linked to your account and follow the reset instructions carefully. If you're trying to access Exness from a web browser and the page isn't loading correctly, or your login keeps failing even though your details seem right, clear your browser's cookies and cache. Old stored data can sometimes interfere with login sessions. If you want a quicker test, open an incognito or private browsing tab and try signing in there. This can also help if a browser extension is causing a conflict. Another very common issue is using the wrong password type. Be sure you are entering your MT4 or MT5 trading password, not your personal area password. These are not always the same, and mixing them up will prevent you from logging into the trading platform. If you've forgotten your trading password, sign into your Exness personal area and change it from there before trying again. You'll also want to confirm that you're selecting the correct server. In your Exness personal area, check your account details and find the exact server name assigned to that trading account. Then select that server manually in your platform. Even if your login and password are correct, choosing the wrong server can stop the connection. Next, make sure you're using the right platform version for your account. An MT5 account cannot be logged in through the MT4 terminal, and an MT4 account cannot be used on the MT5 terminal. This is a simple but important detail, so double check which account type you have before signing in. Finally, verify that you are not trying to log in with the read-only investor password. That password is designed for viewing access only and does not allow full trading login functionality. If you use it by mistake, it can seem like something is broken when it's really just the wrong credential type. If you follow each of these checks carefully, you should be able to identify the cause of the problem and get back into your Exness account.